Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going back to Chicago, which seems to be the laundromat capital of the US. I keep checking out laundromats in Chicago and they keep blowing me away with how nice they are. And every different company seems to have their flagship store in Chicago. So we're actually going to jump back from a comment. Matthew said, do you check out the WaveMax store in Chicago? So that's what we're going to check out today. He said it's pretty nice. If you missed it, I did just a general view of the laundromat franchise WaveMax a few videos ago. I'll post a link down in the description. You can check it out. This one's going to be one of their stores in Chicago, so let's check out the store and see what it's all about. So this is the outside. This Google Street View is from before it got turned into a laundromat, but based on the pictures, this is the unit that they're in. So definitely have a bunch of parking right out front and unlimited parking out here. So it looks like they share a space with $1 a day. And they have another street right here, so they get plenty of exposure. So this is a picture of the outside of the store. Nice automatic doors here. I don't like these windows covered up because you can't see inside the store. And based on this picture down here, there's no windows on this side of the whole store, so most of the time you can't see in the store because there's so much signage everywhere. We talked about that a couple of videos ago, where you want windows, you want light, you want people walking by to see inside the store. Huge sign up here. Nothing wrong with that. Hope it lights up at night. Let's see the inside of the store. Oh wow, this is definitely a little bit different than their other stores. Awesome seating here. Either custom folding tables or they painted these to match their color scheme. Awesome ceiling, love it. It matches the trim around these. All the small machines here. Looks like they got some bigger ones here and some here. They ran out of money here, so they just put a table. Let's see this. Electrolux, no coin op at all. Looks like these are just empty or there's a blank cover over them. Ooh, look at the little kitty. Oh, you know what this is? How come I can't see that in this picture? Oh, it's over here. This is that water softening or water system. I forgot what the name of it is. It says Omni Solutions. Let's see if I can pull that up and see if get some more information about what this is. All right, now I'm on the Omni Solutions website. They have a couple different systems. This looks like the one that's in the store. Provides outstanding cleaning and disinfection for the water while lowering utility costs. The Lux technology supercharges in-house laundry systems through hydroxyradicals. Are more stable, lower temperatures, reducing the need for hot water by 85%. In some cases, eliminated heating water at all. Let's see a little bit more. Kills SARS, extends the linen life, reduces therms, and saves water. So it reduces drying times. Alright. Well, this might be a topic for another video. If you guys know anything about this, put it in the comments below. But let's go back to the laundromat. Alright. $1.50 for a dryer? Holy cow. Alright, we'll make it full screen. All right, so just like the other, whoa, what's going on here? Help me. What? That's weird. I feel like the laundromat we checked out 2 days ago, they had their Halloween decorations up too. They had skeletons on the wall. But it looks like they have two card systems. The value add centers is called. One's the ADA compliant, one's lower. Bill changer. Instructions how it works. So they have two of them. So this is obviously a card only store, no cash. Let's see. Hand sanitizing system. Insert hands into washers. Washer will start automatically. Never seen this. What company is this? ME. Can't even see that. Remove hands and dry with a paper towel. Free sticker. I wonder if this store was built during the pandemic, so they have extra sanitation things. Oh, here. Strange. All right, they got drop and fold. Looks like comfortable chairs over here. Looks like it might be USB down here. And then plenty of seating everywhere. The lack of windows seems sort of weird, especially because the building's on a corner. Oh, well, they got donuts and everything. That's nice. Brand new laundry carts. Alright, so that's the inside of the store. Huh. That's kind of weird. I thought they took the whole end, but they must have subdivided this section. I thought they were on the corner. That's why there's no windows on that side, because it's the middle of the plaza. The Electrolux dryers. Those look really nice. TV's up here. Utility room. I'm liking this, nice and clean. People loving these chairs, chilling. I'm digging that. Emergency exit. I wonder what's on these monitors. Nice bar in front of the windows. Okay. Yeah, it looks like they just have up to here. Here and here. So, let's check out the reviews and see what they say about the store. Alright, so we're on their Google review page. If you go down to products, you can see a little bit about the Omni Sanitize. Let me just close this a little bit. It says a little bit about it. It's 500 times more powerful than hot water and bleach. Family time. Do you want to spend more time with your family and less time in the laundromat? Come try the fastest washers and dryers in Chicago. Let's see, what was this? Another thing about the Omni Laundry. But I think of all the laundromats I reviewed so far, this one has the highest reviews, 91 reviews, 4.9 out of 5. That's really awesome. I think the next highest one was like 4.6. right. Right away, we got a 4-star review. Only disadvantage, there's not enough room to fold clothes. We saw a bunch of laundry tables, or folding tables. Oh, 3 months ago. Additional tables ordered to be coming in soon, so. Great new location, plenty of parking. No need for cash at all. Oh, I didn't see these pictures. Check out their vending machine. This must be just when they opened, August 21st. Soaps filled up. This is not filled up. Kind of like their skin. See if they have any more user photos that we didn't see before. Oh, you know what? These monitors are their price list. Oh, wow, $25 to wash a comforter. All right, let's go back to the reviews. See if there's any other ones that are less than 5-star. I know I'm kind of, picking out all the bad things, but when the place looks this good, try to look at the bad things and they can improve them. Even like the first one, they complained about no tables, and the response from the owner was, I'm getting new tables soon, next week. That's good management right there. Impressed how clean the place feels and stays. Love it. Uh-oh. Wish I can give this less stars. The only thing good about this place is the machines are relatively new, but the prices are outrageous. I could barely fit my clothes into 2 machines. I needed a third. The regular place I go is $8, and I fit all my stuff, and this place hasn't been open for long, but since they raised the price extra $1, I won't be back. Yeah, it sucks. 1 review. That might be another laundromat trying to sabotage them. I don't remember seeing the big machines, though. They didn't really have a lot of pictures of their machine. I wonder, let's see if they have a website that we can go to. Sometimes the website will tell you the number of machines they have and the prices and everything. Okay, so they have 20 pounds to 62 pounds. Dexter has a 120-pound machine out, so a 60-pound machine is not big at all. Even Speed Queen's got bigger machines. They got the 80-pounder, the 60-pounder. So, if you're a competitor for these guys, you can just lower the price a little bit, and you're going to beat them on price. Oh, here, nice bathroom. I wonder if the Electrolux brand does have bigger machines. If you guys know, throw it in the comments below. Let's just finish up the reviews, and we'll wrap this place up. Definitely impressed so far. I'm loving the vibe. Come on, come on. All right. Actually, we've seen a lot of 5-star reviews and stuff. One 1-star, 1 4-star. Let's see the lowest. Oh no. All right. It says it's open till 10 every day. Last wash 10 p.m. I went in at 9 and the doors are locked. Wasting my time. Huh. Looks like there's a problem with the door. So that's another thing where, if you can't see inside, it looks dark. People might think it's closed or locked. I don't know. I love this laundromat, but today it upset me. The employee that was there, as soon as I walked in, she didn't greet me. Instead, she was on her phone talking. I also noticed prices went up on the washers. Huh. That's strange. If they've only been open 6 months, you shouldn't be raising the prices on the washers. If anything, you gotta lower it. But yeah, customer service is huge, so. Alright. 4 star, 4 star. Not really any feedback. And the rest 5 stars. Wow. Out of 91 reviews, you got about 85 5-star reviews. They're definitely doing something right. And even the bad reviews, they're responding to them. They're trying to fix the problems. I'm really digging this customer service. I like this location. To wrap up, they're definitely on the right path doing laundry right. So if you guys are in the Chicago area, definitely check them out. And we'll catch you next video.